Okay, good evening. Let's recap what we did in the morning. We tried to make we fin no we continued working on the exterior for the brewery, and I noticed that I need to change a lot for the interior. So one big thing I need to figure out what to do with the third floor, and above the roof area, the area that once was just roof. So I needed to figure out something about that, which I haven't done yet because I was kind of busy all the afternoon. And but I think that I will continue working on the interior a bit, changing out the wall, the window tiles, and then go on and build the railing around here, and this on the second floor, and then make the third floor bigger and continue from there. I had the crazy idea of maybe even combining the interior and exterior, but I'm still debating that because it's could be too much. I mean, I could get away with a bit of occlusion culling, but I'm not sure how much I could get away with, so need to think about that and maybe change a few things around. But for now, let's just work on the interior a bit more, and I started sorting it the way I did the exterior and all my other builds, because it kind of drove me crazy to have to figure out what goes where, and I sorted all the ground floor stuff into one category. So when I click here, the complete ground floor is gone, minus the stairs here, which I'm not sure if I will keep them there, or how it will work out the area there. And did the same with the second floor, so it should be completely gone apart from the roof up there. But that's the third floor. So if I go higher, then I will change out these with the prefab I made for the other floors. And what else did I do? No, I think that's all I did so far. Offline. And now I'm still sorting out the rest, and it should be rather quick, I hope. And then we can go on and really change the layout and work with it. Okay, let's go to sublevel 1, and those are the floors here. Okay, which I used down there as well. Okay. So let's here. Call it floors. Go to the walls. Take the sub-level 1 walls. Put them here. Walls. And do the same with the pillars. The lights. And do I have furniture there? Oh yeah, the kind of tables are those. No, it's just an empty object. Delete that. Brewery vats and the... Okay, we need a furniture category here. And move both of them there. And okay, which stairs are part of that floor? I think none, so all the rest of the stairs, that's the sub-level 2 stairway. So, okay. That looks okay, so, but we have the roof here. So, let's move the roof over here. We can keep this name, it's okay. And let's check if there's anything left. Nope, everything's gone. That's good. So all the rest down there, sub-level 2. Create empty. Not there. Okay, that's sub-level 2. Go to the floors. And same procedure here. And that's just for sorting them and my sanity, mostly. And walls and lights. No, I need an empty category here called lights, because we have a secret room there. Is there anything in furniture that is not sub-level 2? Nope. Okay. So we can move the whole thing in here. And I think the rest is all cave, and the stairs I added. Oh no, there's one stair. We need stairs here. And it's this one. And no, it's gone as well. Okay. Let's make another category. Oh, damn it. Might need to. Okay, let's reset this one. And same here. That's the cave. Roof. Oh, forgot the lights. That should be all. Apart from the clutter, I forgot to put in a category. So, okay. So we only have this ceiling piece here and the stairs I added. Let's create another empty object. Set it. Oh. Need to reset this one as well. Okay. And let's call this third floor. And the only thing that's in there is, at the moment, is the floor. And we need walls for that. We might need pillars for that. Lights. Maybe roofs there, I'm not sure. Do we need stairs there? Yeah, we might need stairs there, so... let's delete the rest. Okay. Let's add stairs. Okay. Now we can go through each floor and fix them. Okay, on this floor, do we need to fix something? Yeah, we might add a few more lights. And we need to fix the railings over here. The stair here. And these railings are bothering me, so let's... oh, it's not even the right place, but copy the component, and it's 3B right. 3A right, 3B right with railings. So let's move them here. Paste values. Oh. Yeah, we need to place them in the right spot. And 0. Okay, where do we want to have them? We want them to go up and then to the way around here. We want to end there, right? So let's have a look. Let's take the second floor. Where's the doorway? I want to connect to that doorway here. I think I'm using the wrong stairs. Yep, I'm using the wrong stairs. Where we are at it, let's just reset that. So it's a clean category. And call it stairs. So we need 3B left. Nope. That's also wrong. So the right one was right. So let's move this here and have a look. Do we need? We need one that's flipped, basically. So let's have a look at this one. Let's copy the components here. Let's see if we can put this one in the right spot. Yes, we can. So just need to rotate it. A bit. Minus 90, okay. Okay, let's put this to 15, and don't think that I can put it to, no, it doesn't work, would be too much over here. Let's remove the second floor so we can put it in place. Let's have a look. I think we can go here. Then we just need to flip out the wall pieces here. Switch out, not flip out. Switch out the wall pieces to ones that are, aren't using these pillar pieces. That would work. But let's have a look, maybe it works this way. That's too light somehow. Let's add a damn point light here. I think it's okay. Looks a bit strange, but if you're not licking the walls and look at it too much, you won't even see it. I need to change this thing around here anyway, so yep. And next thing we need to do, like I said, add the lights. And we need to change all those. Oh, damn it, I used the two-part walls here. I don't have the equivalent in the exterior kit. So I need to find if I have the window equivalent. So lights. Now we have some lights over there. And let's copy both of them. In here. It's minus 90 to flip them, yeah. And I think I will just move this one over here. Ah, damn it. Okay. And yeah, let's take this one over to the other side here. This should help a lot, so let's go to the FPS controller and deactivate the light for a second. Let's have a look. Oh, I need to build light maps in here for them. Okay. But it should be better. Maybe one light here maybe some lights on the walls. And I need to change those pillars. They were a nice idea, but at the moment they look strange. Because we just, yeah, they're just standing there and look strange. So we need to change that. Oh, I didn't remove the lights here. Yeah, I need to do that. So let's deactivate the second floor for a moment. And have a look around. So yeah, a lot more lights in there. But I don't want to put fake bouncing lights in it to light up the scene, because I don't like those. The problem I have with them is that if you see a light color in some kind of corner that isn't lit at all, then you have a light there that just is there to light up the whole scene, but it's just a point light. It's not the ambient light that's pushed up a bit so that you can see. It's just a point light that was put there by some kind of light designer or game designer or level designer who knows a bit more about lighting than me, maybe, and just as some kind of bouncing light, and I kinda don't like those. Might be the right way to do lighting, but I prefer running the light map baking with a bit more bounce, so the light bounces from the floor under the table, lights the area there a bit, and then work from there. But yes, there need to be more lights in here, that's for sure. But at some point these point lights can really impact performance, so that's another thing to keep in mind. Too many point lights are a bad thing, so yeah, so that's why I'm trying to use only visible lights as point lights and everything else as either emissive surfaces, which I used for the windows. Those are emissive lights, emissive surfaces that I used for the light map baking, or work with the ambient light. I mean, there are things like what it's called, I think, an area light. Yeah, an area light, but I need to look up what it is used for. Let's have a look. Yes. Chrome. Let's move this over here. And look at lights. Okay. Okay. Oh, here we go. Point lights, spotlights, direction light, yes. Area light. Okay. Okay. Interesting. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Next thing we need to do is find the outside, find the right window part for what we want to do. And for that I'm just throwing in one of the exterior windows as a reference. Okay. Prefabs, windows. be this one, but it's not. Oh no, it's green. So we don't even have this window in the interior kit. Sometimes I kinda hate this. It should be compatible, but some areas are not finished yet. So I need to wait until he gets the new windows in. Okay, so far for that. Yay! Okay, let's remove that. There, so we can get up the stairs, or no, just move it over here. Okay. Add this one to the stairs. Okay, let's have a look. Now I need corner piece here. Anyway, so let's those to the side for the moment. Move this one over here and then remove the rest. Yeah, I might have to use different wall pieces for this area here. So let's look at the walls. Wall 12. Let's find a corner piece. Yep. And let's snap that here. And we can move the stairs back a bit. Let's duplicate that floor piece. Oh no, that's those I don't need because that's where the stairs go down. Okay. So this one is centered there, so 32.5. Nope, that's into the wall. That's not what I want there. Yeah, let's put it there. Need to change the model maybe and remove the railings from it. Or take the other one without railing. I'm not sure. And this one will be part of the upper floor. I think I can even snap that together here. So if I go here and problem is focus. Okay, that's not even connecting there. Not happy about it, but it's okay. I'm also not happy that I need to build a huge area here for the... Wait, what's happening here? Did I do something wrong? Okay, what's the coordinate here? So the next one should be 2.5 over. So this should be 30. Here as well. 30. And that's 7.5. And 5. Okay. Now if I move this one to 0.5, it should have the railing in the wall. Yeah, but it's okay. Like I said, I might take the other one without railings and just add railings to the inside. But one of the problems I have now is that the connection downstairs with the floor there is kind of not the way I like it. Let's have a look. Let's go here. Let's get sub-level 1. Oh yeah, that was the problem. Sub-level 1 has a roof. And I need an additional level for that. So if I take stairs down, I need stairs here. Okay, do we have no stairs on this level? Okay, so look, what kind of stairs do we have here? That looks like the stairs we need up there. So let's move it in here and over here. -3 and 7.5. Okay. Now we are here. And from there we can just add another one. So -6 and -90 and over here. Yep. And with that we are way past this starting point here. I mean, it's not a big problem, I can just move the whole thing over, but I really don't want to do that, to be honest. I mean, okay, then I have more room for other stuff later, but okay, let's move the wall here doesn't belong here. That's part of sublevel 2. Okay. So now that is gone. And we can move sublevel 1 completely. And let's have a look. No, I can't move that. I can move everything but the stairs. So let's take that one way over here and And now we can change the walls down there so that we can go in. We can even move this one here. Can we? Nope, that doesn't work. You can't go there. Okay, let's move it back. Let's try the stairs. Yeah, this one needs to be removed as well. This floor piece here. Okay. Yep. The only problem we now have is that we need to move all of the other stuff for sub-level 2 over as well. Yep, yeah, that's not good. Yep. I need to remove this one. And we need to build walls around here. I don't like staircases. Sorry. The small challenges you face while doing level design. I'll be right back to take a small break. Be right back. And sorry about that. I'm back. Let's move this one. Go. Okay. Maybe I don't have to move the lower floors because I want to change this room anyway. So let's go here and deactivate that for. And the original concept, the room was a lot bigger than it is now. If I remember correctly, there were five brewing vats on each side, and there were walkways going between them as well. So need to change that. Oh, damn it, now I have a problem with the ceilings here. I think. Oh, not sure. I have to look into it. So I might need to move this complete wall over, and as a result the stairs down will change as well. I kinda need to find the... Oh no, I don't have... Do I have the... Yeah, I need to look for the concept sketch I have for it and check that, but it's absolute chaos on my desk, so searching for it would take too long now, so I will do it either later today or tomorrow. And then change the layout here. So that means we have to do something else. Okay. Second floor. Stairs. So let's save project and switch scenes. Save this scene. And is there anything we can do over here? Yeah, I want to work on the the interior first and then finish the exterior. So let's move this back down. So that's out of the way. What can I do here? Let's have a look. Oh, and Unity really doesn't like me. It destroyed most of my roads for some reason, I don't know. Kind of hates me. And Gaia placed a farm here, which doesn't make sense at all. Hey, I can look into the house and it's empty. And no one would want to work there. Some of these parameters are kind of strange. So, nope, this farm we don't want at all. Okay, so look over here. And terrain is either smoothed over or something else. Change the terrain. Unity, why you do this to me? And it moved, changed this part here. Ark. I mean, yes, it's abandoned, but not like this. And I need to figure out a way for the river part here. I will get the river up here and flowing down. One idea would be to use the flow maps and the shaders provided by the RTP relief terrain part for that, but then it would just look like water sickling down the mountain and not really spring and start of a river. Sickling down, trickling down, I'm not sure. That's, as you might notice, English is not my first language. And sometimes I say strange words that do not fit. I also need some kind of flow map or so for these rivers. Yeah, I honestly don't know what I can do with the terrain at the moment, because I want to place the buildings, and some of these buildings I need for them I need assets that I don't have, and in other parts I need, for signs and stuff like that, I need interactable objects, which I don't have yet, so I need to add those, and those are part of my adventure toolkit that I need to update. I want to update, I don't need to. I could use store-bought stuff, but I want to use stuff I wrote myself at some point. And looks really strange. Yeah, the light is shining on the underside of the terrain and doesn't light up some of the models at the moment. So it's, some of them are dark and the sky is dark. I need proper day and night cycle for that to look good. At the moment it's okay, but it doesn't look really good, really that well, so yep. I mean, I could go the terrain and change some of the smoothed mountains piece by piece, and maybe get some noise in there. What will I do? Programming or more terrain? Any ideas? No ideas? Okay. I think I need a bit of a break from level design and have a look at my source code and switch over to a bit of programming. So let's change the title. And then switch the project, because I want to work on it in the old project first. No, let's do something different. I'll be right back. I stop here and then make a clean break for the uploads and stuff like that. Okay, be right back.